Okay, so here they tell us that v is a linear function of q. So v is a linear function of q. So v is determined by q. Excellent. So the first thing you want to focus on is the infinite one's going to give you information right away. They say for large batches, when the supply is large, the cost is 15. And so this gives you right away that A is going to be 15 because of the idea that when the Q is big, adding something is completely insignificant. And so you get AQ over Q, so the Q's cancel. So the V variable cost or whatever we're doing is going to be A when the Q is really big. So A is 15, we've got one of them, but we have 1, 2, 3 unknowns, so we need 3 equations. So there is one. Next one you want to focus on is the 0. So they say even when the rate is 0, the variable cost is 24. So if we plug that in, the variable cost is 24 when the Q is 0. So that's 0 plus B over 0 plus C. So that's going to be just multiplying by C, you get the B is 24C. Excellent. Now, one last bit of information. So you don't know B yet, you got to find C. And they tell you that when Q is 40, that V is $19.50. So now plug that in. The V is $19.50 when the Q is 40. So we'll have A times Q. I know that A is 15. The Q here is 40. The B is 24C from what we did just up there. All over, the Q is 40, and the C is what we're looking for. There's our equation. And so now we multiply 1950 times 40 plus C to give me 780 plus 1950C. And that's going to equal 15 times 40 is 600 plus 24C. And if I subtract 600, I get 180. If I subtract 1950, I get 450C. And if I divide by 450, I get C is 40. So I've got C is 40. B is supposed to be 24 times C. So B is supposed to be 24 times 40, which gives me, where did I write it? 960, I think I said, yeah, 960. So B is 960, and then the A was 15. So when you rewrite this guy, V is going to be A, which was 15, times Q plus B, which was 960, over the Q plus the C is 40. And that should do it.